In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a rear lower control arm on a Toyota Camry. This is located under the vehicle. Let's get started. Let's remove our rear wheel. There are 5 21mm lug nuts. We're going to start off by making our way under our vehicle and between the trailing arm, locate our control arm. On the knuckle there is a bolt. It's a 14mm on the bolt side and a 17mm on the wrench side. Support the bolt side with a wrench and break it free. Set the nut aside. We're going to move towards the inner part of the control arm and locate another bolt and nut. We're going to break free our 19mm nut. Support the other side of the bolt with a wrench and finish removing the nut. Remove the bolt. You may have to push this plastic trim panel in a bit. To remove your ratchet and you could slide it out. Set it aside. Now we could remove our first 14mm bolt. Set it aside as well. Now we could go ahead and remove our control arm. There it is. We're going to clean both the mating surfaces on our knuckle and subframe. I'll be using a wire brush. Now wipe the area clean with some brake cleaner and a rag. Now install our lower control arm. And tap it in place with a rubber mallet. A trick I like to do to install our bolts is using a screwdriver and aligning the holes on the arm with the holes on the joint. So insert your flat blade screwdriver and pry. Now insert your bolt. Use a ratchet and socket to apply some leverage. Once it's aligned, tap it in with a rubber mallet. Do the same for the other bolt. Now hand thread on your hardware. and snug these down. We're going to tighten the bolt side down to 54 foot-pounds. Support the nut side with a wrench and torque it down. Now do the same on the other side. Let's reinstall our rear wheel. Now hand thread on your 5 21mm lug nuts. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. We're going to torque these down to 76 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.